Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that many of us are already tired of hearing, but still see happening around us, and that is corruption. It's one of those problems that never seems to go away, no matter how many times we talk about change or good governance. Corruption affects all of us, whether we realize it or not. When government funds are stolen or wasted, it's the ordinary Filipino who suffers. That's one less classroom for our students, one less hospital bed for our patients, and one less meal for families struggling to survive. It's painful to think that while many people work hard just to make ends meet, others easily take what's not theirs. What's worse is that corruption has become common, that some people see it as normal. We hear things like, ganyan na talaga sa gobyerno, but should we really accept that? I don't think so, because the moment we accept corruption is normal, we lose hope for real change. I believe fighting corruption starts with each of us. It's about being honest, even when no one's watching. It's about saying no to shortcuts, to bribes, and to cheating. Change doesn't always have to be big. It begins with the small, everyday choices we make. If we want a better Philippines, we need leaders who are transparent and accountable. But more than that, we need citizens who care enough to do what is right. Let's raise our voices when something is wrong. Let's demand honesty, not just from others, but from ourselves too. Corruption may seem too big to fight, but every act of honesty is already a step toward defeating it. Let's not lose faith that our country can still change, because at the end of the day, the true strength of the Philippines lies not in its wealth or power, but in the integrity of its people. Thank you, and may we all keep believing in a better and more honest nation.